I'm working on LODR decoding. I am training the model currently, did not decode yet, but I realize I need to train RNNLM and generate 2 gram before I can do LODR decoding. So this video is about how I trained RNNLM and generated 2 gram model. So first, what I did is I prepared training data for RNNLM decoding. So I prepared this one. So this script takes BP model and text files such as some text normalized and outputs LM training data to supply directory. So I'm passing this text and it will just prepare it in this format. My text is Bengali language, so I use Bengali language normalizer, and twice means my second method, second normalization, removes all punctuations from the text. You can keep it, it's up to you. Mine, this project doesn't have punctuations. Then I cut my text, 20, 30 words, I don't remember exactly now, but I think somewhere around maybe 25. Then I used training data, the text from training dataset, and I edited, combined it, and I prepared training data to train RNNLM model. So the next one is we use the same way we're going to prepare validation dataset. So this one I only used 3,000 lines, and it just takes a few seconds to prepare it. The same method as the first one. And then we're ready to build our RNNLM. And we have LM data, we have validation. That's all what we need for training. So LODR decoding also needs 2 gram model. We have to get 2 gram, we must have transcript tokens. So my prepare script, I had a prepare script, but I added to the bottom of my prepare script another stage, and it prepares transcript-tokens.txt. So this transcript-tokens.txt is needed to generate a language model. Here it is. You don't need 3, 4, and 5. You can remove them. I just run script as it is, and later realize that I only need 2 gram. So this script runs, if you're only building 2 gram model, it's super fast. If you building 5 gram is the longest, I think. So we're gonna generate 2 gram, and I want to show you all the things which were generated. So they all gonna end up here. This is LM data that we generated, LM data, 2 gram, 2 gram. And now we have, let me show you RNNLM model. So we can have I just want to look at the tensor board. This is my current model that it's training. I'm training, so it's not doing well. I think something wrong with dataset, but let me show you guys the RNNLM. this is very nice training, looks nice. So at the end we have, I only trained for 1 day 10 epochs and to get the model. So I wrote a blog about my experience. So here how I created RNNLM, and then here is how I created 2-gram. And hope it will help you guys if you are planning to do loader decoding. This information hopefully you'll find useful. Bye guys.